guys, welcome back to another video, and today this is going to be the annoying balloon. You're probably like, all you have to do is this. But you don't have to do that. You have to put a nut in the balloon and then blow it up. While we are waiting for my daddy to tie the balloon, I'm gonna let you guys know something about me. One of my favorite YouTubers is Jojo Siwa. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Thank you for the balloon. And now go slow. Hey, now you go fast. Go fast. Then you go slow. If you look real closely, you can see the nut and the balloon rolling. It sounded like great scores. It's force. Force. Hold on, I'm gonna write something. You know what? Comment down below if you know what that spells. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and if you don't, I will do this in your ear. I need someone to tie my balloon.
Hey, we're filming in here.